Hi guys, eto nga pala yung part 2 sa hindi pa rin ako tapos pagsha-sharpening. Ayan guys, tapos na. So, ilalagay na natin ito sa aking pencil case. Ito yung naman yung color ko. Tingnan nyo, Jowie. Ayan, mga color ko yan.
Was this part of it was break time to finally get your lunch on me?
Itong basurahan.
No, maybe not. I don't think that's okay.
Ilalagay na natin ang aking book. Ito yung math book
Why did he
ko.
abandon me just when it was starting to rain?
Guys, sa mga nagsasabi na kinder pa lang ako, nako, grade 1 na ako, magge-grade 2. Kasi malapit na birthday ko.
Left my phone here so you can charge it for me.
Ang birthday ko ay,
Thank you so much.
April 19. Tapos,
What's this?
punta kami ng Chocolate Hills ng, ng aking mother.
Did you see my text?
Ay, doon na pala ako titira sa Pangasinan.
Are you here?
Sa ni Tito Ban.
Oh. Come on. Since we're all here anyway, why not have a marriage boyfriend? She's very important on us getting married. There is. Let us meet him. I did tell you about my story.
Hawak mo di ito sa kisa. Clap, clap, tapos kamay. Sabay, sabay. Clap, clap.
Who is this guy?
Kasi hindi ko maano.
My name is Captain Moon. I'm Hattie's boyfriend.
Single bet.
Kailan kayo pupunta sa mall?
Hindi ko alam. Sa May pa.
May pa? Hindi uwi ka na ulit. Baba.
Pangit mo. So guys, malapit na. Wait lang. So guys, patapos naman ako. Handbook at saka na lang. Ito guys yung handbook ko. Dito natin ilalagay yung mga score ko. Sa 99. Wait lang. Check ko yung score ko.